What if I told you that you could get unlimited access to Google VEO3 worth $300 completely free for 90 days? Not just 1 month like everyone else is showing you, but a full 3 months with unlimited video generation. I recently made a video showing you how to get VEO3 for free, but that method only gave you 1 month and limited videos. After spending countless hours researching and digging deep into Google systems, I discovered a simple hack that changes everything. In the next few seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock this $300 credit and get unlimited access to VEO3, Imagen 4, and Google's entire AI suite for free. But here's the thing. If you miss even one step in this process, you'll lose access to everything. So make sure you follow along carefully. First, open your browser and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. Click on the first link that appears. This is Google's official training platform, and it's our gateway to unlocking the free credits. Log in with your Google account. You'll need to enter your birthday details and complete a security check. Don't worry about this information. Google uses it to verify your account for the free credits we're about to unlock. Close any pop-ups that appear, and boom, we're now inside Google Cloud Skills Boost. In the search bar, type "a tour of Google Cloud." From the results, select this specific course. This is crucial because this particular course gives us access to the lab environment we need. Click Start Lab and complete another security check. I know there are a lot of security checks, but remember, what you're about to unlock is worth $300 with unlimited access for 90 days, so Google takes security seriously. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people who give up at the first step. Hit that like button to show you're serious about getting this free access, and consider subscribing to Alex Best Digital for more AI tool tutorials like this. Here are your lab details. You'll see a username, password, and project ID. Pay close attention because if you miss one step here, you'll miss everything. Now, here's the most important part. We need to click Open Google Console, but you must open it in an incognito window. This is critical to avoid compromising your normal Google account and potentially incurring charges when the trial ends. We're about to enter the most crucial part of this process. The next 3 steps will determine whether you get unlimited access or nothing at all. In your incognito window, sign up with your email and password, yes, for your actual account. You can turn on 2-step verification if you want, but I'll simply tap Remind Me Later to speed up the process. From the left panel, scroll down until you see Vertex AI and click on it. Agree to continue when prompted. We're almost there. This is where Google's most powerful AI tools live. Now click on Media Studio. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to generate images with Imagen 4, generate audio from text, create music with Lyria, and most importantly, generate videos with Google VEO3. Click on Generate Video, then add a billing account. Don't worry, you won't be charged anything. This step connects your account and gives you access to use all these premium features for free for 3 months. Confirm your country and agree to continue. This is it. We're seconds away from unlocking $300 worth of AI tools completely free. Perfect. On the right side, you can see we now have $300 in free credits for a full 90 days. Google won't charge you anything within the trial period, and you can cancel anytime before the 90 days are up. Click Start for free and answer a few quick questions to complete the setup. Now let's test our unlimited access. From the models, select VEO3 Preview. You can choose how many videos to generate per batch. Each clip will be 8 seconds long and includes audio. You can also generate images, convert speech to text, and create music. Let's generate a video with VEO3. You can start with an image as a starting frame or simply type a prompt. I'll type, "A girl explaining on camera how she likes pizza." Hit generate. It takes just a few seconds, and it's ready. Let's watch it.
And for me, I think pizza is my favorite food because it can be savory or it can be sweet. And for me, I think pizza is my favorite food because it can be savory or it can be sweet.
To access all your generations and download them, click on History. That's it. You now know how to use Google VEO3 completely free with unlimited access for a full 3 months. This isn't just another temporary hack. This is legitimate access through Google's own training platform.